Welcome to the gym. Many people view the gym as a place to simply lose weight or build muscle. But did you know that regular exercise can provide numerous benefits to your overall health and well-being? For starters, going to the gym can improve your cardiovascular health. Regular exercise can help to lower your blood pressure, improve your cholesterol levels, and reduce your risk of heart disease. Strength training, such as lifting weights, can help to increase muscle strength and endurance. This can not only make you look and feel better, but also it can improve your everyday life functionalities like carrying groceries or climbing stairs. In addition to physical benefits, regular exercise can also have a positive impact on your mental health. Exercise has been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, and boost mood and self-confidence. Regular exercise can also help to improve your sleep, boost your energy levels, and promote healthy aging. And the best part is that you don't have to be a fitness expert to reap these benefits. A simple workout routine consisting of cardio and strength training exercises can make a world of difference. So, whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or simply improve your overall health, the gym is a great place to start. So, why not take that first step today and see how regular exercise can benefit you? Regular exercise can help with weight management. By burning calories and building muscle, exercise can help to increase your metabolism and reduce your overall body fat. Exercise has been shown to have a positive impact on brain function and cognitive performance. Studies have found that regular physical activity can improve memory, attention, and decision-making skills. Exercise can help to improve bone density, which is especially important for older adults as they are more likely to develop osteoporosis. Weight-bearing exercises like running, jumping, and lifting weights can help to stimulate bone growth and reduce the risk of fractures. Regular exercise can also help to boost the immune system, making you less susceptible to common illnesses like colds and flu. Joining a gym can be a great way to meet new people and make friends. It can help to build a social support network that can be beneficial for mental and physical health. Gyms usually offer different kinds of classes, activities, and equipment. This can be a great way to switch up your workout routine and keep it fun and interesting. Lastly, you can have a personalized workout plan that can help you track your progress, work on your weak points, and achieve your goals. A good coach can also teach you how to execute the exercises properly, which is key to preventing injuries. Remember to check your local gym safety measures to follow the local COVID-19 guidelines. Regular exercise can help improve your overall body composition by reducing body fat and increasing muscle mass. This can lead to better physical appearance, improved energy levels, and better health markers such as lower blood pressure and reduced risk for chronic diseases. A regular gym routine can also improve your overall functional fitness, giving you better range of motion, flexibility, balance, and coordination. This can be especially beneficial as you age, as it will help you maintain your independence and ability to perform everyday tasks. Exercise can also have a positive impact on your mental health by reducing symptoms of stress and anxiety. Regular exercise can also help to improve self-esteem and body image, which can be beneficial for overall well-being. For those who are trying to lose weight, the gym can provide a structured and also a variety of other activities, such as yoga, Pilates, martial arts, and group classes. This diversity allows you to choose from different activities, making your workout routine interesting and fun. Gyms also provide a supportive and encouraging environment. This can be beneficial for keeping yourself accountable and motivated. Again, it's important to note that before starting any exercise program, it's important to talk to your doctor, especially if you have any medical conditions or concerns. Additionally, a personal trainer or coach can help you create a workout plan that's tailored to your individual needs and goals. Regular exercise can help to improve your respiratory health. Cardio exercises like cycling, running, and swimming can increase lung capacity and improve breathing, leading to better oxygen delivery to the body. Exercise can also boost energy levels, which can help improve productivity and concentration throughout the day. By exercising in the morning or early afternoon, you can feel energized for the rest of the day. Going to the gym can be a great way to manage stress, as physical activity has been shown to promote the release of endorphins, which are chemicals in the brain that help to reduce the perception of pain and improve mood. Gyms usually provide a sauna, steam room and pool. These are great ways to relax and unwind after a workout. Another benefit of the gym is that it allows you to monitor your progress and set new goals. You can track how much weight you've lifted or how many miles you've run, and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts to continue challenging your body. When you are at the gym, you have access to a variety of equipment and resources to help you learn about fitness, nutrition and overall health, which can be beneficial to help you reach your fitness goals. Many gyms offer personal training, which can help you set specific goals, design a workout program that's tailored to your needs and abilities, and give you guidance on how to safely and effectively perform exercises. It's important to remember that exercise and going to the gym isn't just about physical appearance, but it's also about improving overall health